My full name is Bufat Hidal. I'm with my friend Rabat Hussein. We currently study mechatronic engineering at Ettf University. And today I will demonstrate the proper way to wire a circuit using a capacitor, inductor, and a resistor. So all what we need to do is to follow our diagram right here, as you can see. So the first thing that we need to do, the first thing that comes up in our brain to do is to see how many lines we have here. As you can see, there are 3 of them. One, the second one, the first one, and the second one, and the last one, which is the third one. Now, obviously, from my perspective, I'm going to start with the first one. As you can see, the beginning of the first line is L3 going toward ampere meter. So all what I'm going to do is to pick up a wire and start connecting the L1 and ampere meter together. This is the L1 and this is the ampere meter. The second thing that we need to do is to pick up another wire, start connecting the ampere meter and wattmeter together. Like this. This is the wattmeter, the input of the wattmeter, and this is the output of the wattmeter. Her symbol is number 3. So we need to connect now the wattmeter with the capacity. As you can see, this is the capacity, a short one. The next step that we're gonna do is to connect the capacity with the inductor. As you can see, this is the capacity and this is the input of the inductor. We're just gonna put it inside like this. Now we need to connect the capacity with the resistor. Now this is the input of the resistor. This is the output of it. Now all we need to do is to go to the last step, which is to pick up the wire and put it inside the inductor. Now we need to connect the voltmeter. After that, we need to connect also the wattmeter between the nutter and the L1. This is the wattmeter. This is the voltmeter, as you can see. This is the input of the voltmeter. This is the output of the voltmeter. And this is the input of the voltmeter. We're going to put it inside that. The last thing that we need to do is to connect the last wire between the wattmeter and the nutter. As you can see, this is the wattmeter. We're just going to pick up another blue wire. This is the 5, number 5 here. Her symbol is number 5. And this is the nutter. I guess that's all for now. Thanks for listening, and I hope that you understood my explanation.